Now, Vice President of Cricket West Indies, Dr. Kishore Shallow, says he is not aware of President Ricky Skerritt being reported to the CWI Ethics Committee. Now, the Jamaica Gleaner earlier this week reported that Skerritt could find himself before the Justice Winston Anderson chaired CWI Ethics Committee after a report was submitted to the body accusing him of breaches of the CWI Code of Ethics as well as a violation of the Memorandum of Association. But Shallow has called the report speculation.
Just a lot of speculations out there. I much prefer to comment on things that I've seen, I speak pretty facts. But unfortunately, I don't at this time.
Now, Shallow also gave an update on the situation regarding payments to players.
The latest update I have received from the CEO is that all retainers are up to date as of end of May. All non-contracted players have received their match fees as well. I think the only fees that are currently outstanding would be some match fees to retained players.